Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell so you never miss any of my wig related content. Today I am bringing you a wig review for wigs.com. We are going to take a look at Jon Renau Aria in the color Venice Blonde, which is 22F16S8. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start taking a look at the lovely Aria. So pretty. Very long, as you can see, but she does have some layering. I'll show you that more up close in just a minute. Really, really pretty. So as you can see, there is like a little swoop that goes across the face here. I mean, depending on where you part. If you part it right in the middle, I'm kind of to the left of middle. So, but yeah, there's some layering. So it lightens her up. She's very low, very natural density, which I love. This is a hand-tied cap. So with a full mono top and a lace front. So, you know, no permatease or anything like that anywhere in this style. Makes her really, really pretty and so much fun to style, which we'll do in just a few minutes. I'm gonna show you the lace front up close so you can see the knotting. Knotting looks really, really good. They placed a lot of the blonde up there. And then I parted it, like I said, just left of center. But with this mono top, you can change your part. You can part it wherever you'd like. So if you want it right in the center, you can part it in the center. You can go, you know, further over to the left or part on the right. Here are the ear tabs. Got great coverage around my face. Looks really, really good. So as far as the way the cap's fitting, this hand-tied cap is fitting my head really, really nicely. So ear to ear, it's fitting me fine. I'm 11. Forehead to nape, it is fitting really nicely with just a little bit of extra room. Not a whole lot of stretch in this hand-tied cap. There's a few stretchy areas, which I'll show you when I take the cap off. But, you know, so this is considered average. So I think it would fit average and, you know, just above average, but this hand-tied cap might run a little small for some of you. And I'm 21 inches in my circumference, and I haven't, did I have to bring these in? I've done a few videos with this, that's why I can't remember. I have not had to bring in the adjusters at all, so it's fitting really, really nicely. Okay, so measurements for Aria. Here in the front, she is 10.5 inches. She has 16-inch side measurements. She is 15.5 from the crown, and then her nape is 16 inches. So one thing I will say is that you're gonna wanna have your wide tooth comb, I'll get it in a minute, you know, to keep this nape combed out, because of course, you know, this is regular synthetic, so it'll tangle less than a heat-friendly synthetic, but you will get some tangling. So weight-wise, she comes in at 5 ounces. She's just super, super lightweight, very, very airy with this hand-tied cap. I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior of her cap. So comb out her nape a little bit. It doesn't tangle super, super badly, but you know, just a little bit. That's to be expected with a long synthetic, right? So. Okay, here's that full mono top, allowing you to part it wherever you'd like. There's the lace front, going from temple to temple. Soft felt ear tabs. There's a metal stay right here. That's what helps keep that flush up against your face. So here's the hand-tied cap. So in this area here in the middle, that's where you're gonna find some stretch, which I'll show you in just a minute, but that's all hand-tied. There's an extended soft felt nape with Velcro adjusters. So let's look at the stretch. So this is what I'm talking about. In here, it's a little more elastic, a little more stretchy, but still not super, super stretchy. So don't think that, you know, it's gonna stretch for every single head size. I think, like I said, it's gonna stay at average. Here's the stretch in the circumference. It's gonna stay at average and just above average. Okay, let's take a look at this color. So this is the Venice Blonde. And like I said, this is 22F16S8. Let me double check. I got it right. That's a long code, you know? So, so it is a beautiful rooted blonde, more cool toned, I would say, than some of their other blondes, which I really, really love. So you can see the rooting color there. I'm gonna take the wig outside. It is overcast, so this is really good light when I take it outside. And you'll notice that this 8 root is probably gonna look a hint lighter when we go outside. But I am right in front of a window. I'm filming color a little bit differently today, just kind of testing out some new ways to show color to y'all. So So here's the Venice Blonde. So the description is a light ash blonde and a light natural blonde blend shaded with a medium brown root. So you can see those different blondes going through there. You're going to see that rooting anywhere you separate the hair. So you're going to see it at your ear tabs, not so much right at your lace front. Like I said earlier, they did place those lighter colors, you know, to lighten up those knots, but you do see it as you go down the ear tab. Okay, so here we are outside. So I'm facing the natural light, still under the, just barely under my patio cover. So you can see that that rooting looks a little bit lighter. Here's your lace. Okay, we can look at glasses and styling and all that. Just like I said earlier, make sure you have your wide tooth comb, you know, keep her combed out and just keep those tangles out. You can also use a silicone spray. I love this Hair You Wear Restore. I've had this, I bought like 3 of these at one time and I've had them for so long I haven't ever used it all up. So the bottle may not look like this anymore if they're still making it. I hope they are because I absolutely love it. But Estetica makes a good one, and you know, there's some other silicone sprays out there that are good. So, okay, so she is so easy to tuck behind the ears, so easy to put glasses on, you know, no problem. You can put your glasses up very easily. I usually tuck and then put my glasses up just so I'm not accidentally pushing my wig back. She's really cute with, you know, a headband. That looks super cute. You could pull out some hair, or that 10.5-inch layer will stay back. She's gorgeous to style. You know, you can wear her half up. Look if this would stay back. I think it will stay back. If not, it might need a little clip, or you could just let that, you know, piece fall down. So, but halfway, you know, half up, half down, ponytail, and with a hand-tied cap, it's going to look like scalp no matter where you know, separate the hair. So that's kind of nice too. And she does have the extended nape, so that's great for ponies. So of course you could do twists, braids, all kinds of beautiful styles for the holidays as well. I do have a video where I did a really cute little side pony with her. I'll try to pop a picture of that in right here. You know, it's just turned out really, really cute. So thanks to wigs.com for sending this wig to review for you all today. There'll be purchase information in the description box down below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.